Alright guys, out here in the shop doing a little height install check-in on Hellcat BGE heads. I know there's been a big debate online about BGE heads being the same as Hellcat heads. Hopefully this will end it once and for all. You can see some differences in the castings. I'm going to point them out to you, and hopefully that lays it to rest. Rolling them over and everything, they look to be the same castings and material, valve size, port size, but there's bosses cast into the Hellcat heads. Right here, for where the supercharger bolts, you can see where the intake supercharger runs down. You can see the boss that's actually cast into the head for the supercharger bolts. Come over here to the BGE head. There's no boss cast into the head. Like I said, everything looks to be the same. Lots of people say, oh, it's just a different machining process for the bolts, for the intake pattern. But you can clearly see the difference here versus that. A little better shot of the bosses that are cast in. And they're on every one of them. It's not just... Once again, come back over here. You can see down the combustion chambers and everything. Look, everything looks the same other than the bosses. Hope that lays it to rest. Thanks, guys.